Match 2 of the semifinal, we have Proton Saga. The red one taking on the white one. What are the odds of this happening?
I don't know. Tell us in the comments. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Double no finish. Lane swap. They get another chance. 4 chances total.
Is that? I can't remember.
Yeah, I don't remember. It doesn't matter. I don't think they're gonna finish anyway.
3, 2, 1.
My bad. Looks like the white one advances.